Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dodge Challenger paddle shifters. These intuitive controls allow you to take command of your vehicle's transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience. You will find the paddle shifters mounted just behind your steering wheel, with the left paddle dedicated to downshifting and the right paddle for upshifting. This setup provides quick and easy access to gear changes, enhancing your connection with the road and your powerful Challenger. To begin using your paddle shifters, first ensure your gear selector is in either the drive or sport position. Once engaged, simply give either the left or right paddle a quick, firm tap. This action immediately activates the manual shifting mode. You will notice the current gear number prominently displayed on your instrument cluster, confirming that you are now in full control of your Challenger's gear changes. It's a seamless transition to a more dynamic drive. Mastering your shifts is key to enjoying your Challenger's full potential. For optimal acceleration and smooth power delivery, remember to upshift just before your engine reaches its red line. When approaching a turn or needing to slow down, downshifting can effectively use engine braking, reducing wear on your conventional brakes. Always aim for deliberate, controlled shifts and avoid rapid, successive gear changes to ensure the longevity and health of your powerful transmission. Using paddle shifters provides numerous benefits, including significantly enhanced vehicle control and a much sportier, more connected driving experience. They are particularly rewarding when navigating winding roads or enjoying a track day, allowing you to precisely manage your engine's power band. To truly master this feature, we recommend practicing in a safe, open environment. Start with gentle shifts and gradually build your confidence, making every drive in your Challenger more exhilarating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.